Okay, now that we have our first user screen, the U tab, I'm gonna create the next one, which is going to be settings. But before we do that, I actually forgot something very important here. I hope you caught that. Actually, we need to change this. So let's just go to our dropper and let's make this one the one that is active. Let's do the same for the text. Eyedropper. Oop, no, actually we want to do this one first. So eyedropper, and then brands, eyedropper here. Perfect. Now U is selected in the menu. So now that we have this, let's actually create the screen for the settings. But before we do that, let's add an icon here to open the settings. So for that, I already added an icon setting, an icons icon. I'm sorry. I already added a settings icon on your assets. So go to File, Open, and then here on your icons, on your assets folder, and find your icon setting, your icons folder. So here you have settings. It's looking good. Let's open it, select it, and let's just paste it over here. And this is already looking good. Let's zoom in and align it. So we want it to be over here. It's looking good. So now let's duplicate this screen very quickly. Remember, artboard tool, duplicate over here with Alt-Shift, drag and drop. Let's get rid of all this stuff. And we're actually getting rid of this too. But we're bringing back the arrow back. So let's select this. Let's press Command V. Let's put it over here. Perfect. So now we're going to add the actual settings that we need to edit. So let's start with profile. Profile, center line to the left. It's perfect. The character should be around 24. It's looking good. Well, let's make it a little bit bigger. 28 pixels on the font size. And we can actually start just typing everything. So my account. Oops. You know what? We need to get rid of this. In case you have it, just deselect all tabs. So my account. My payment method. Payment method. Shipping address. All the stuff that you need to, you need to always have. And that's it. Those are the first ones. So let's actually change deleting here. I want it to be a little bit more like this. Let's get rid of the bold here. Let's make it regular. Let's select all of this. Let's make it a little bit more. So now we have profile, have preferences, let's add other stuff. I don't know. We still don't have, say, swamp references. Say, what other thing we want to edit? Privacy. And here we have an opportunity to actually talk about ourselves too. So let's talk about the app. About Swanky. Let's say we have a freaking ask questions, terms of service, and privacy policy. These are all important stuff. We're not going to make them since it's not important for a flow right now, but it's really good to have them there, and it's really good to actually show it to our client or to whoever is going to work on this. So now that we have our menu ready, so this is looking good. We probably want to add a sign out button here. We want to add it at the bottom. But before we do that, let's just make sure our leading is correct. Put 72, let's make it 84. That's really well spaced. You don't even need lines between these, you know, you're pretty actionable. This is cool. You can see the affordance there. Yeah, and you can read them. I don't know, this is looking good. Let's make them 32. See how they look 32. Not too bad actually. Let's make this 96. This is good. I want to get here. So here, obviously, I want to change it to settings. To get rid of this, just have our back button. This is good. I love this. So let's just add let's go to, let's actually add this thing at the bottom. Just put it here. So let's add a sign out button. Just for, you know, we want to give people the opportunity to actually sign out, remain private, and all that good stuff. So just go to a rectangle tool. Just drag it over here. This is going to be 98 is perfect actually. 620. Let's align to the center. This is looking good. Okay, now let's add text to it. So let's add text sign out. Let's put it right here. Let's align this to the artwork. So go to align to artwork, align to the center. Let's align this to the bottom, align to the center. And pretty good, pretty nice. Damn, this is really good. I love this. Settings, everything. Wow, we're finished with the design. Look at this. Look at all these screens. We're finished with the designs of all the screens. Now we're going to do, well, we're going to do the app icon. That's going to be next. That's going to be fun, don't you think? Obviously, that's going to be up to you, but you can skip this, the next lecture, and actually go directly to the prototyping tool, or you can actually see me creating a logo for Swanky.